This double-sided lamp is trending on Amazon, and today we're checking out why. This is the LitONES H02, a modern LED desk lamp that is designed to light both your workspace and your background with its dual-sided illumination. Based on its reviews, it's become a favorite for users assisting in late-night productivity due to its glare-free lighting, step-less dimming, and remote control functions. Join us in this video as we check it out for ourselves to see if it's actually good or not. First things first, let us do a quick unboxing to see what's included. Inside, we have the following: the lamp itself with the dual-sided LED panel, a heavy metal base for desk stability, the power adapter, a rotary knob remote, batteries, and a screw-in tool for attaching your lamp to the base. In terms of assembly, it's a simple process. All you need to do is attach the lamp arm to the base with a single screw, plug in a power adapter, and you're ready to go. The remote is already paired, so once it's powered on, you can immediately start tinkering with the lights. Before we get into testing its features, we'll first have to take a look at its design. The lamp definitely has a modern and premium look to it, featuring an all-black polished finish with a dual-sided LED panel that gives off both forward and ambient backlighting. The arm and housing is constructed from aluminum alloy, and the heavy-duty base adds a good amount of stability so it doesn't wobble or shift around on your desk. The entire unit feels solid, and the joints uses a high-quality damping system so you can freely adjust the angle and height without it feeling flimsy or loose. With the swing arm being able to extend up to 33 inches, so you get a good amount of articulation to position the light exactly where you need it. When it comes to the controls, the H02 offers two ways to adjust your lighting. You can use the touch interface directly on the lamp, or you can take advantage of this wireless remote knob. This rotary knob gives you stepless control over brightness and color temperature with ease. You don't even need to look or even lift your arm, you just twist it or press it to fine-tune your setup. It's super intuitive and it's surprisingly satisfying to use. In terms of lighting performance, this is where the H02 really shines. It's equipped with 126 high CRI LEDs, which means colors stay accurate and natural, making it great for video calls, reading, or content creation. You get 5 color temperatures ranging from a warm 2700 Kelvin to a cool 6500 Kelvin and 10 levels of brightness. This ranges from a soft glow to a bright 1200 lumen flood that covers your whole desk. And considering that it's double-sided, you get a gentle glow on your desk surface while the ambient backlighting helps reduce contrast and shadows. In day-to-day use, the H02 really delivers on versatility. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, attending video calls, reading, or even doing productivity work, this lamp adjusts to every task seamlessly. And thanks to its flicker-free and glare-free design, there's no annoying strobing effect even when recorded on camera. This makes it a great pickup for streamers or content creators. After trying out the lamp firsthand, there are a few pros and cons that I wanted to mention that might be worth considering. Starting out with the pros, here's what stands out to me. The double-sided illumination is a standout feature, and what makes it trendworthy is its dual lighting setup. It creates even, soft ambient lighting from both the top and bottom, which is not only eye-friendly, but makes everything look more professional within your setup. The desk remote is intuitive and satisfying to use. You get stepless dimming and color temperature control without needing to tap through tiny buttons or reach across your desk, especially since it's wireless. With 4 damping joints and a swing arm that extends up to 33 inches, you can freely customize the lighting angle perfectly to your workspace. Despite being a desk lamp, it feels surprisingly premium. The base is heavy and stable, and the aluminum alloy body feels solid and durable. With their flicker-free lighting, 1200 lumens brightness, and high CRI LEDs is perfect for streaming, video calls, reading, or general productivity. In terms of the drawbacks to consider, here are the cons. At a price point of $100, this is marketed more as a premium desk lamp, which might be a bit too much for some users just looking for simple lighting. Both light sides work together, but you can't turn the front or back light off independently. That's definitely a drawback if you want backlighting without the front frill or vice versa. The knob side remote uses AAA batteries, which are included, but it's something that you'll eventually need to replace often. A simpler solution would just be making this rechargeable. While the lamp offers multiple color temperature presets, there's no RGB or broader color customization. If you're someone who likes syncing ambient lighting with your setup theme or prefers cooler accent colors, then this might feel like a missed opportunity, especially given the premium feel for the rest of the lamp. With that being said, regardless of its pros and cons, this lamp is clearly designed for users who value both function and comfort in modern workspace. Its dual-sided illumination, flexible arm, and intuitive control knobs makes it a solid pick for anyone building out a home office or looking to upgrade a desk setup with better lighting. The lamp retails for $100 on Amazon, but right now you can grab it for just $72.99 by using the link in the video's description. Just make sure to enable the on-page coupon before checking out to get the full discount. Check it out for yourself and let us know what you think about this lamp. If you already own one, how do you like it? And would you recommend it to others? Guys, that's gonna conclude my review of the LitONES H02 desk lamp. If you enjoyed this video, please help support our channel by liking and subscribing for more reviews like this. We've got tons of innovative products lined up, so be sure to stay tuned for what's coming next. Thanks as always for watching, and until next time, take care.